Hi guys, my name is Vanshaj, and if you're coming back, then welcome back to my channel Comicversity. And if you're here for the first time, then thank you for joining me. So, मेरी पहली वीडियो में मैंने बताया था कि मेरी first official video is going to be about the character that I really admire the most, जिसको मैंने बचपन से बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो किया है, जिसके नक्शे कदम पे मैंने चलने की कोशिश करी है, who has definitely taught me quite a lot in terms of life and everything about it. ये character है DC का and one of the most famous characters of all time in, I would say, all of fiction, Batman, Bruce Wayne. अब इस एपिसोड में मैं बात करूंगा एक ऐसे शो के बारे में जो कि काफी रिसेंटली रिलीज हुआ, हालांकि अब फिर भी कुछ महीने हो गए हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम सॉरी फॉर डूइंग अ रिव्यू फॉर समथिंग जिसको आई थोड़ा टाइम हो चुका है, बट स्टिल नॉनदलेस हियर वी आर. So this video is going to be a review of Batman the Caped Crusader, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं on Amazon Prime Video. अब when there was an announcement for this show, I was genuinely quite excited. See, we are 90s kids. So 1990s में एक बहुत ही amazing show आया था Batman का called Batman the Animated Series, and this was the defining show for all Batman fans. Batman the Animated Series जो थी, it was not really a cartoon. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए था. That show had really some adult tones in terms of love, in terms of hatred, in terms of anxiety, depression, mental issues, health issues, how to deal with personal loss and how to deal with everything else, right? So तभी it was not really a show जो सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए है, but adults really watched it and enjoyed it too, and that is what really made it quite exciting actually, right? So इसलिए जब मैंने इस शो का first time trailer देखा, I genuinely had my hopes up because इसके जो tonality थी, इसके जो कार्टून का स्टाइल था, इसके जो dialogues थे, the way everything was being done, it resembled Batman the Animated Series quite a lot, and that really got me excited, right? Alright, so now let's just dive deep into the streets of Gotham. हम थोड़ा और अच्छे से एक नए पर्सपेक्टिव से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं Gotham City को, Bruce Wayne को, Batman को, and the several other amazing characters that we all know and love. But इस शो में they are all with some sort of a little twist, so that even if you know इनकी backstory क्या है, but they still feel quite new and quite relevant with today's world. Right? Okay. So let's jump into episode 1. So in the very first episode हम देखते हैं कि again जो इस शो की जो टोनैलिटी है, जो इसकी कलर ग्रेडिंग है, जिस तरह से एनिमेशन किया गया है, जो इसकी वॉइस एक्टिंग है, इट इज ऑल रियली अमेजिंग. एंड एपिसोड में घुसते ही आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट. यू नो, इट इज ऑल गोइंग टू बी रियली एक्साइटिंग, रियली फन, समटाइम्स सीरियस, एंड समथिंग दैट यू कैन रियली बिंज ऑन. ओके, so पहले ही एपिसोड में we are introduced to one of the most famous characters from Batman's rogue gallery, which is Penguin. But this time it is not Oswald Cobblepot, or rather Mr. Cobblepot. This time Cobblepot is a female character, and again but इस character की अभी भी वही एक gangster vibe है. How she wants to run the city, which is quite synonymous with Cobblepot, right? With Penguin. Again, यहाँ पे भी she has the connections to the arms and ammunition, and she knows how to really run Gotham City. उसको पता है कि Gotham क्या है, उसको कैसे चलाना है. तो इसी में Batman का first introduction होता है with the Penguin, and इसमें हम पहली बार देखते हैं पहली बार मिलते हैं with several amazing characters like James Gordon, like Barbara Gordon, like Harvey Dent, of course. इन सब की स्टोरीज भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग आगे होंगी. सो पेंगुइन का भी कैरेक्टर इसमें काफी डार्क है एक्चुअली. बिलीव इट और नॉट, पेंगुइन हैज 2 kids in this show, and she does not hesitate to kill them if required. That is the kind of hunger that this penguin has. Eventually, of course, Batman does manage to stop her, or maybe he doesn't. I don't know. Watch the episode to find out. But it is a really good episode to just kick things off and get you totally involved into the show. But one interesting thing over here, जैसे usually Batman stories start होती हैं, इसमें भी the Batman is still a myth, a legend. लोगों को अभी भी यकीन नहीं है कि हाँ ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर गॉथम में एग्जिस्ट करता है. इसके बाद हम एंटर करते हैं इनटू एपिसोड नंबर 2. एपिसोड नंबर 2 में हमारे नेक्स्ट लेजेंडरी कैरेक्टर और स्लैश विलन जो है वो हैं बेजल कार्लो. इस नाम से शायद कुछ ही लोग उनको जान पाएंगे, but he is also known as the Clayface. Clayface had an amazing role or an amazing involvement in one of the most legendary games of all time, Batman Arkham City. और जिन्होंने खेला है वो जानते हैं. And even in the Batman the Animated Series, Clayface was actually quite a good character, very well written. In this show as well, Basil Karlo, he is an actor, he is trying to make it, but due to certain reasons, he is not able to. तो अपनी इस desperation में he goes out and reaches out to a doctor जो उसके साथ experimentation करता है, याना, and he becomes Clayface. इस episode में लेकिन there is some really good detective work from the side of the police, Detective Montoya and Batman of course. By the end of it, the existence of Batman becomes a reality. And now the police and everyone else knows about his existence. Okay, now we enter into episode number 3. So up tak, the foundation is set. We know what Batman is, how he behaves, we know his relationship with the police, we know his relationship with the rest of the Gotham City, right? This episode ke right in the very beginning, we are introduced with one of the most loved characters of the Batman of the DC universe, Catwoman. And not just Catwoman, Dr. Harleen Quinzel. Yes, इस show में even before there is any reference of Joker or any John Doe, there is a Dr. Harleen Quinzel, and she has such a strong character. उसको दिखाया गया है that she's so intelligent, she's so smart, so articulate. जो करती है बहुत ही सोच समझ के करती है. She has some really good relationships going with Barbara Gordon, with Detective Montoya and the rest of the Gotham PD. Interestingly, इसमें Quinzel की Dr. Harleen Quinzel की एंट्री इसलिए होती है क्योंकि Bruce Wayne actually punched a reporter right into the face, which of course came in the news. So Bruce Wayne gets some court-mandated sessions with a therapist, and this is where Dr. Harleen Quinzel enters the game. Now, even here, जिस तरह से Quinzel Bruce Wayne को questions put up कर रही है, and she's trying to break his walls, but we all know Bruce Wayne इतनी जल्दी तो वो टूटने वाला वैसे नहीं है, but still that interaction between them, that is really good. यहाँ पे we just know okay ये Harleen Quinzel है, so of course she is going to become Harley Quinn, but किस तरह की Harley Quinn वो बनती है and why she becomes Harley Quinn, is there any inspiration from Joker? अभी तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिखाया. However, of course, इस episode में there is a revisit of the death scene of Thomas and Martha Wayne. Catwoman का भी इसमें काफी अच्छा रोल है, अच्छा कैरेक्टर है, and the costume she wears, it's quite old school. मतलब वैसे भी क्योंकि ये शो जो है, it seems that as if it is set in the 1970s, 1980s maybe, क्योंकि कुछ as such digital tech नहीं है. There are no mobile phones, there are only landlines, and even Batcave में we all know कि Batman has this huge computer, right? जिससे वो बात करता है and okay computer find out blah blah blah. इसमें Gotham का map Bruce Wayne ने एक black board पे बना रखा है, on a transparent kind of black board, marker से map बना रखा है. That is quite interesting. I mean, the level of technology that they have shown in this show is quite limited. So again, that is a very fun thing. लोग कहते हैं अरे भाई Batman के पास तो बतेरे gadgets रहते हैं जिससे वो ये कर लेता है वो कर लेता है. इस शो में एक्चुअली नहीं है. I think the very major gadgets that I have seen in this show from Batman are his Batarang and his Batclaw. That's it. His grapple gun. And then of course क्योंकि Catwoman है, क्योंकि Batman है, so the Bat and the Cat flirtations begin, and it's really fun to watch. Okay, now episode number 4. यहाँ से the tonality somewhat starts to become even more serious because अब आप characters को अच्छे से जानते हैं, सबके relationships आप समझते हैं. तो जो स्टोरी थी जो स्टार्ट हुई थी आज से 3 एपिसोड पहले, अब इट हैज स्टार्टेड टू टेक ऑफ रियली. ओके, क्योंकि बैटमैन के बारे में आप सब जानते हैं, सो एक पब्लिक परसेप्शन है जो ऑलरेडी बिल्ड हो चुका है, राइट? बैटमैन हैज ह्यूमिलिएटेड अ कपल ऑफ कॉप्स ओवर हियर, जैसे कि बुलक एंड फ्लैश. बुलक काफी एक पॉपुलर कैरेक्टर रहा है, बैटमैन द एनिमेटेड सीरीज में भी था, गॉथम का जो टीवी शो आया था उसमें जो बुलक था, he was a good बुलक. Actually, I really liked him. And even the actor who played him, he did a fabulous role to make us fall in love with Bullock. Quite unexpected, but he did amazingly. So coming back to the show, इसमें Bullock is as corrupt as you would have him, and so is this his partner of his, Flash. He's also equally corrupt. So इस episode में क्योंकि Batman ने humiliate किया है Bullock और Flash को, तो वो एक बदला लेने की कोशिश करते हैं. And here in this episode, we are introduced to yet another new villain of the Batman Rogue Gallery, Firefly. and in this show he's called the Firebug. तो Firebug apparently already पकड़ा जा चुका है. So ये दोनों क्या बुलक और फ्लास्क क्या करते हैं, उसको भगाने में हेल्प करते हैं. And Firefly or Firebug, being the character he just starts burning down the buildings. इसी बीच होता है first interaction or rather first face-off between James Gordon and Batman. Gordon is about to shoot Batman, but he is of course trying to save people from that burning building. और वहीं से इन दोनों के बीच का एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होना स्टार्ट होता है. Eventually Gordon allows Batman to run away. He tells him कि यार तुम वहां से जाओगे तो वहां पे पुलिस है तुमको कैप्चर करने के लिए. You better take this different route. और he helps Batman in escaping. But all in all इस एपिसोड से हम ये सीखते हैं कि किस लेवल तक करप्शन जो है गॉथम सिटी में एंड गॉथम पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में फैल चुका है, घुस चुका है. And then on the side we see this good relationship starting to build between Gordon and Batman. Now, will it become as strong as the relationship that we know from all the other TV shows and movies? Wait and watch. Okay, so episode 5. अब इस episode का focus है primarily on Harley Quinn. I'm not sure how many of you know, but Harley Quinn का character पहले comic books में नहीं था. It was actually introduced as a new character in Batman the Animated Series. And it was loved so much, of course, and the voice actress, she did such an amazing job that it became a prominent character in the Batman Arkham series as well, right? And we of course fell in love with her once again over there, and in the several other movies and adaptations after that. Now, because this is a Harley Quinn episode, so of course this episode में काफी references हैं here and there, sprinkled here and there about Mr. J, the Joker. क्योंकि जैसे ही सीन की ओपनिंग इस एपिसोड की ओपनिंग होती है, we see a person dressed as the Joker. तो क्या इसमें जोकर आएगा, क्या पता चलेगा कि क्यों हार्ली क्विन ऐसी है? Let's see. Actually नहीं. तो इस एपिसोड में हम पहली बार हार्ली क्विंसल का गेटअप देखते हैं as Harley Quinn. It's different. It is again old school, but ये वाली जो हार्ली क्विन है, she's not crazy. She treats the crazy. This Harley Quinn is a little different kind of crazy. She's more of a vigilante, right? तो यहाँ पे ये actually उन अमीर ज़ातों को कैप्चर करती है जो करप्शन में घुसे हुए हैं, and उनसे ज़बरदस्ती उनकी सारी दौलत, उनके सारे assets charity के नाम करवा देती है. Now that's good that she's doing, but जिस तरह से वो कर रही है that is wrong, and that is why now Batman has to kind of interfere, right? Interestingly, इस एपिसोड में एक ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन सीन भी है जो मुझे काफी बैटमैन आर्कम सिटी की याद दिलाता है, where you know Batman is throwing out the gas, the smoke pellets, चुपके से जा रहा है, एक को पकड़ा, दूसरे को दबोचा, blah blah blah, एक के बाद एक. So that was actually quite interesting. तो जैसा मैंने कहा, इस शो की हार्ली क्विन, she is quite intelligent, she's quite smart, she's quite street smart, and she knows what she's doing. एक सीन है जहाँ पे वो किसी अमीर ज़ादे किसी एक बिजनेस टाइकून को कैप्चर करती है, और वहाँ पे वो एक डायलॉग कहती है, "The kings don't run the court anymore, the jester does." यानी कि राजा महाराजा के कोर्ट चलाने का टाइम गया, अब जोकर चलाएंगे. और यहाँ पे एक और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ईस्टर एग है. One of the people जिसको हार्ली क्विन कैप्चर करती है, very subtly says the word pudding.
And you can have all the pudding you want.
Okay, of course, especially from the Arkham series, we know Harley Quinn to call Joker as Puddin. So that was a very interesting Easter egg. So eventually Harley Quinn captures Batman, but because of her friendship with Barbara Gordon, जो कि हमने पहले के episodes में देखी है, she helps in kind of saving Batman, and then she kind of goes away. She dies, but not really. All right, guys. So we have reached the halfway mark. हमने इस सीरीज को 50% कवर कर लिया है. Now let's take a breather. हो सके तो आप वापस जाइए, खोलिए Amazon Prime, try to watch the series if you can, and we'll meet you in the next video where we'll conclude this series. तब तक के लिए do not forget to like, share and subscribe Comic Versity, where you become the scholars of everything cool. Bye bye.